Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over locations of the fuse boxes in your 2013 Ford Fusion. So we've got it. This is the driver's side, or otherwise the left side of the motor, and we have a fuse panel box here. And we've got some tabs here. We got to just move them this way, and then we can pull them up or pull the cover up. This is your cable for the hood release. If you pop it out of the way, it helps in extracting this. So you can pop this cover, and you've got fuses and relays in here, and you've got information here not telling you what they do. You'd have to look at the owner's manual, but tells you what size of fuse should be in there. And so then you can go through and you can check them to see if you have a bad fuse, or if you have something that's not working. You can start with using a test light to check it, or just by pulling them out with the fuse puller or needle nose pliers, pulling them out and checking that in between them they don't have a burn mark. And so that's the one in the engine bay. So to put the cover back on, you just put the tabs in on that side, push it down, lock it in. These clamps here are just the big, huge fuse clamps. To get these undone, just push the tab down, pull it this way, and unhook. Do the same for the other one if you were going to go ahead and say remove the whole fuse box for whatever reason you needed to. So that's the one in the engine bay. And we've got one inside the cabin here. So this is under your left foot as you're sitting in the car. It's on the outer panel here, and that is a fuse panel that is right there with all types of fuses. So like I said, they're right there. I'm going to show you another way you can get some more access to it, instead of having to be in a contorted way to be able to reach up in there. If you just pull here on this cover, it's just some clips that lock in there. Pull this side, and then this side over here. So both sides. You can look right back in there, and you can see those fuses. Again, you would have to look up in your owner's manual what fuse does what and what you can do with it. But you can be able to reach in there and pull them. See, there's a puller up top there, but you can reach in there to pull which fuse you need to after you've consulted your owner's manual or other sources for which fuse does what. And then you can start process of elimination for whatever you're trying to fix, and to be able to check your fuses. So those are the two locations for your fuses located on a Ford Fusion of a 2013. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.